Here's video 3 of my go-kart build. So to start off, all 4 of the tires that came with it are shot. And I took off the rear axle, and that is seized, which it's kind of a Frankenstein axle. It looks like a 3-wheeler with some Dodge axle or Dodge bearing mounts. It has 3-wheeler hubs, 3-wheeler brakes, and a 3-wheeler disc, but everything's warped, and whoever had this before kind of put it on where it would stay on, so I had to grind quite a few parts off just to get it off. The front wheel hubs are fine. I'm going to reuse them. And the steering is all good. For the drivetrain, I bought a 1973 Arctic Cat Cheetah 440 for $80, and it's running. Bought it is running. Everything works on it. Usually, I'll start it up. It's usually first pull. I'm using the engine and the clutches, and probably the brakes, and hopefully the chain case, but I'm not sure. And other than that, I picked it up for $80. I'm going to sell what I don't use and probably get that back or more. I have an axle on the way, so I'm waiting for that. I'm going to get new tires. Great. So far, all I've gotten, I bought this. It's a clutch angle grinder, 7.5 amp. And for the money, it works great. And I got front tires for free. They hold air, still have good tread. I also bought a Northern Industrial MiG 135 welder. I haven't gotten to use it yet. I haven't been very far, but I'm guessing I'm going to need it to mount the axle and the engine. For sure the engine. Here's the seat that came with the Arctic Cat. And it's in great condition. There really aren't any tears or anything. It's just dirty. So I'm going to clean that. I've seen them go on eBay for $200 or more. No tears in it. It just needs to be cleaned. Sort of a side project I have going on right now is I bought a radiator off of a VMAX 540. I'm going to mount it on my XLT right there in between the shell and the secondary clutch. You can see all metal. Drilled a hole here and there. I'm going to mount the radiator in there like that. Because XLTs are infamous for overheating while trail riding. and I experienced that last winter, so I thought that would be an easy fix. I have a bolt that will go up here with a bunch of spacers. I had it mounted, but I just need radiator hose. So as of now, what I need to finish is to get that axle, to get new wheel hubs, a new bearing set and mounting. I can mount it right into the mounts that are already on there. I need new throttle cables, brake cables, maybe a choke cable, but I think I can use the one on the snowmobile. The snowmobile isn't running very good in the video just because I was running it before and I'm almost out of fuel. So it was running with bubbles in the line. But it runs great. So I think this go-kart will be fast when I finish. I'm going to try and use as much as I can off of this. But yeah. So I'm going to get new rear tires. I was looking at Northern Tool. I can buy a set of rear tires that are trailer tires for a snowmobile trailer, and they should work great for this go-kart, knobby tread and everything. I can get a pair for a fairly good price. Then mount the engine, get the clutches mounted, and figure out where I can get some metal. And then she should be good to go. My goal is to get it done by the end of the summer, which is coming fast. Well, thanks for watching, and next time I make a video, it should be different. Maybe. Oh, and one more thing. It's kind of ugly right now with the foam and the tape. I'm either going to retape it or just take all the foam off and then paint it. I'm thinking red and black, but we'll see. Well, thanks for watching.